Have you ever dreamed of increasing your daily income easily and effectively? In this video, we're going to explore a practical way to earn $100 a day using AI tools, whether you're a complete beginner or have some basic tech experience. Artificial intelligence is no longer a distant future. It's a tool that anyone can use to generate real income from home. The first thing to understand is that there are many AI tools designed to help you perform tasks faster and more accurately than humans in some cases. For example, AI content generation tools like ChatGPT can help you write articles, create advertising copy, or even generate content for websites. Imagine being able to write a full article in minutes, something that might take a human several hours to complete. Another powerful tool is AI design software like Midjourney or DALLE. These tools allow you to create professional images and illustrations with simple prompts. These images can be sold as digital art or used for designing logos and ads for small and medium businesses. The digital marketplace today is flooded with demand for this type of content, and with these tools, you can meet that demand quickly and efficiently. So, how can you turn these tools into a daily income source? The first method is freelancing on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can offer services like content writing or image design using AI. And over time, as you complete more projects, you can reach your daily goal of $100. The key here is to focus on quality and fast delivery. Clients are willing to pay more for professional and timely work. Another method is creating digital products. For example, you can use AI tools to create ebooks, design templates, or short educational courses. Once your products are ready, you can sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. With good marketing, it's entirely possible to make $100 or more daily from this approach. For those interested in marketing, AI tools also help analyze data and create effective ad campaigns on social media. You could manage ad campaigns for small businesses using AI tools and earn consistent daily profits without needing a big team or a huge budget. It's important to note that using AI doesn't mean abandoning human thinking. These tools are meant to make your work easier and boost productivity, but creativity and strategic thinking are still essential for success. If you can combine your personal skills with these tools, earning $100 a day becomes a realistic and achievable goal. In conclusion, the digital world is evolving rapidly, and AI has become a key to new opportunities. If you are committed to learning and using these tools smartly, earning a steady daily income is not a distant dream. It's a target you can reach step by step. Start today, experiment with different AI tools, and improve your skills day by day.